So here is our factory class that we use to produce that binding. You'll see here that we use post construct, which will, essentially before the application starts, create our API binding from the values we have stored in our application YAML folder. Here you could also put your API key, whatever else you need in order to create your API integration. Then, when we turn off the server, we want to ensure that the executor service shuts down. This function is what we do in order to call the API and get its values that we need in order to integrate. Let's see this in action using a debugger. I'm going to go ahead and call that same test here using my debugger. I have the debugger set points right there. So here, we go ahead and create the API binding, and then we initialize it, essentially creating the HTTP headers here, and also its custom executor service. We have to do this because you cannot invoke a function inside of a constructor, and therefore you have to initialize it inside of a function you call later.